Welcome to Mow for Show, where we talk about greens mowers and Bermuda grass, mostly greens mowers. Today I have a Flex 21 here. It's probably right around a 2005, 2006 model. And if you're ever going to replace the bed knife on a Flex 21, there's something I want you to be aware of. I ordered the extra thick bed knives from R&R. I like to order the thickest that I can because it's going to last longer. Most people that buy mowers from me are not buying them to cut a putting green. If you're cutting a putting green and you need to get down like to 1/8 of an inch, then you don't want the extra thick knives. But most people are cutting them, just on their normal yard, cutting it down to a 1/2 inch or maybe a 0.25 or something like that. But I ordered the extra thick knives. Let me look at the number on them. These bed knives came from R&R. This number is R150466. All right. I went to go put this knife on, and I loosened the bed bar adjustments all the way, and it just barely wouldn't fit. The blades were touching the bed knife. So I had to order new ones, which is fine, because these knives for the Flex 21 will also work for a GM 1000. So you might want to know that also. So Flex 21 and GM 1000 have the same amount of holes. They're the exact same width, same hole pattern and everything. You can order the same bed knives to go on the same on those two different mowers. What I did was I instead of sending it back, I kept it because I have a couple of GM 1000s that I need to do anyways. And I ended up ordering the thick bed knife instead of the extra thick bed knife. This one is R94-6392. And I'm getting ready to put it on there. But when I go to set it on there, the reel turns, everything's fine. It doesn't touch the blade like the other one did. So I'm going to put this on there. So if you're restoring or you have a Flex 21, not a 2100, not a 2120, I don't know anything about those. All right. But for Flex 21s, if you order the extra thick, I mean, this bad boy is pretty thick. If you order the extra thick bed knife, it's not going to work on your Flex 21. The thickest one you can get is the number I just stated. And that's what I'm going to put on there, and then I'm going to ship this bad boy out to its new owner. So just if you're curious, thought I'd let you know.